In this lecture, we will discuss the limiting reactant and a trick to identify limiting reactant. What is limiting reactant? The reactant among all reactants which produces least amount of product is called limiting reactant. Limiting reactant is always in less quantity as compared to other reactants, so become consumed first and stop the reaction. Therefore, it controls the amount of product. Repeat again. Important points regarding the limiting reactant and excessive reagent. The limiting reactant concept is applied when amounts or moles of more than one reactant are provided for a reaction. Limiting reactant gives least amount of the product. Limiting reactant is that one which consumed first. Limiting reactant gives the correct answer. Usually every reactant other than limiting reactant is excessive or excess reactant. Excessive reagents are cheap, used to increase rate of reaction. Limiting reactant is always costly, so other reactants are used in excess to consume it completely. Now the trick. Mass of carbon provided 96 gram, mass of oxygen provided 64 gram, and mass of CO produced is to be determined. Here, check that the masses of more than one reactant are given, so concept of limiting reactant is applied. See the chemical equation. This equation shows that 2C reacts with O2. 2C means if masses are calculated, 2C means 24 grams and O2 means 32 gram. Divide the given amount of reactants by the required masses as per equation. For carbon, the given mass is 96 gram and mass required as per equation is 24 gram. So answer is 4. The mass of oxygen provided is 64 gram and mass required as per equation is 32 gram. So 64 divided by 32 is equal to 2. The answer of oxygen is less, so it is limiting reactant. Now use this limiting reactant to calculate the mass of CO produced as shown in this slide. The available reactant in less quantity than required is oxygen, so oxygen is limiting reactant. Use oxygen to move forward for calculations. How calculations can be done? Consider the equation. The equation shows that 1 mole of O2 gives 2 mole of CO and 2 mole gives 4 mole of CO. It means 4 mole of carbon monoxide will form. Convert mole into grams by the formula. Mole into molar mass of CO. Mole 4, molar mass 28. Answer is 112 gram of CO. Trick to identify limiting reactant when moles of reactants are given. Mass of carbon provided 8 mole. Mass of oxygen provided 2 mole. These moles are provided by the examiner for a reaction. Mass of CO produced is to be determined. The mole of more than one reactant are given, so concept of limiting reactant is applied. Write the equation. The equation shows that 2 mole of carbon need 1 mole of oxygen. Divide mole of each reactant given by the examiner by the number of moles as per requirement of the chemical equation. Carbon and oxygen, given moles, mole of carbon as per equation, given moles, 8 moles by the examiner, 8 moles divided by 2, and 2 mole of oxygen divided by 1. Answer 4 and 2. The answer of oxygen is less, so it is limiting reactant. The available reactant is less quantity than required, is oxygen, so oxygen is limiting reactant. Use oxygen to move forward for calculations. Write the equation. O2 and CO. Equation shows that 1 mole of oxygen give 2 mole of CO and 2 mole, as given by the examiner, 4 mole of CO. It means 4 mole of carbon monoxide will form. Convert moles into gram by the formula. Mole into molar mass. Now, mole into molar mass, mole 4 mole and molar mass of carbon monoxide 28. The answer is 112. Thanks for watching. Let's crack chemistry.